Have you ever wanted to escape the mundane and dive into a world of pure imagination? Imagine a place where you can create your own reality, where you can control the weather, the time of day, and even the very essence of the world around you. Well, that place exists, and it's called Vivid. Vivid is more than just an app, it's a portal to a limitless universe of possibilities. It's a digital playground where you can explore new worlds, create unique experiences, and share your creations with others. Key features. World creation. One of the most exciting aspects of Vivid is the ability to create your own worlds from scratch. You can shape the landscape, design the weather, and populate your world with unique creatures and plants. The possibilities are endless. Customizable characters. Bring your imagination to life with customizable characters. Choose from a variety of templates or design your own unique avatar. Give your character a personality, equip them with special abilities, and watch them interact with your world. Interactive stories. Vivid offers a rich storytelling experience. You can create your own interactive stories, complete with branching narratives, engaging characters, and stunning visuals. Let your imagination run wild and create unforgettable tales. Social features. Connect with other Vivid users and share your creations. Join communities, collaborate on projects, and discover new worlds to explore. How to use Vivid? Getting started with Vivid is easy. Simply download the app from your preferred app store and create an account. Once you're in, you can start exploring the app's features and creating your own worlds. The app provides helpful tutorials to guide you through the process. Why you should try Vivid? If you're looking for a creative outlet, a way to escape reality, or simply a fun and engaging way to spend your time, Vivid is definitely worth checking out. With its endless possibilities and immersive experiences, Vivid offers something for everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Vivid and let your imagination run wild. With its powerful tools, endless possibilities, and engaging social features, Vivid is the perfect app for anyone who wants to create, explore, and share their unique vision. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.